In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into multiple Instagram accounts. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. Instagram allows users to log into multiple accounts. You can hit right here at your username to show up all your accounts that you are logged in. Here I got 2 my accounts, and you can connect up to 5 accounts with each other, so you can log just into one account to log into all of your accounts. That's how it works. You'll just hit right here at plus sign, then hit on create new account to create account, or you can hit at login to existing account, and here you may enter just your username and password to log into another existing account and connect that account to your Meta profile. After that, you are able to switch between your accounts just by simply tapping right here at your username, or by double tap right there at profile picture. Just double tap to switch to another account. And also you can hit right here at menu icon, then hit on settings, and here you can even hit at log out to log out from your account. And now, as you can see, I have just logged out of one of my accounts, and now I can hit right here at username, and then I can just hit here once to log into that specific account. As you can see, that's how it works. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.